Hello, this is Paula, and today I'm bringing you a review for Milk and Cookies Tart by Yankee Candle. I currently have this tart melted in my warmer here. Probably should be using an electric warmer because it's summertime and a super hot day, but I wanted to melt this all the same. And here is kind of a not the most fancy wrapper here, but I wanted you to see the label, Milk and Cookies. So it just shows a picture of milk and cookies, maybe like snickerdoodles or something with cinnamon and sugar. Anyway, this is an interesting scent. It sounds weird to me, like just the name Milk and Cookies. I've never heard of them trying to do kind of like a milky fragrance before, but Milk and Cookies, I mean, that has got to be a good smell, right? Well, it is. I do enjoy it. It's kind of different. It has, I guess, a lot of vanilla cookie fragrance. It has sugary smells to it, and it has, I think, some spices as well. So that's the best way I can describe it. I've been looking for a scent description. It is no longer on the Yankee Candle website, even though I picked this up at the most recent semi-annual sale this summer of 2016. It's not to be found that I could find. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time looking for it. But the idea of what it would smell like is pretty straightforward. Like I said, we're talking just basic milk and cookies. And I'm glad I tried this. When I was picking this up in the store, it's kind of cute because the sales associate said that there was another lady in earlier who loves this scent, and it's her like one of her favorites, if not her very favorite fragrance. And she said the lady wanted to get them all and then said, oh, I don't need all these. I'm going to leave some for some other people. And I thought that was the sweetest thing because I benefited from that because there were several left. And then I kind of did the same thing because they smelled so good through the wrapper. It was kind of like one of those things where I don't normally see this fragrance anyway. And oh, I might as well stock up on it because they were 49 cents plus, gosh, I think at that point it was 20% off of that also. So my goodness, how could I go wrong, right? Well, I went ahead and grabbed just like a little handful, but not like the box or what was left of the box. So that way, hopefully someone else gets to have some too. I would buy this again, I think. It smells really good. It's kind of like just a comforting, feel-good fragrance. I really, really wish I could find the notes for this because I think that would be really interesting to see what the top, middle, and bottom notes were, because as I've been burning this the last couple days, the smell's changing a little bit, kind of like maybe the top notes and then the mid notes kind of burn off and you're left with the bottom notes. And it's a really interesting bottom note, and I'm just curious, because just out of curiosity what that would be. Again, it's kind of spicy smelling, but not like kitchen spice or cinnamon stick or like a Macintosh spice kind of spicy. It's kind of, it's just there's some hint of something in there, and I can't quite pin it. So for something that is such a bland sounding fragrance of like milk and cookies, I'm just curious what kind of cookie, like if that was an oatmeal cookie or something else. There could be any number of other bit of spices in there. So anyway, I would love to hear your thoughts if you have ever used this before, if you like it or don't like it, and what you thought maybe that spicy or other scent was. Milk, I don't know that it smells like milk. It does smell like a treat, like a milk, like cookies and something else. So I've enjoyed this, and I'm glad to burn it or melt it, and I'm glad I picked up a few of them, and I'm really glad I got them at the sale price that I did, which is why I love the semi-annual sale. I would highly recommend picking this up when you can. My feeling as I've been searching online from eBay to Amazon to Yankee to the various websites that I normally get a scent description from, my feeling is that this is not an easy one to locate. So I also saw some people selling it for quite a bit on eBay. That was interesting. So all the more, I'm just glad I got it at the little deal that I did. And thank you so much for watching today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.